Imagine a world where your gut health is the key to unlocking a vibrant, energetic life. Stay tuned to discover the secret foods that can transform your well-being. Yogurt is a well-known food source of probiotics, beneficial bacteria that promote health. People who eat fresh yogurt containing live and active cultures digest lactose better than those who eat pasteurized yogurt. Yogurt with live cultures is a powerhouse of probiotics, aiding in better digestion and providing essential minerals like calcium and magnesium for strong bones. Certain strains of bacteria in yogurt have Ces-D galactosidase, which is an enzyme that helps break down lactose in dairy products into the sugars glucose and galactose. Ever tried miso soup? This Japanese delicacy is rich in probiotics that can help balance your gut flora, potentially easing symptoms of IBS and other digestive issues. A lack of this enzyme causes lactose malabsorption. Yogurt is also rich in minerals like magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, and calcium, which are important for building and maintaining healthy bones. Lactobacillus bulgaricus is a probiotic organism that is often found in yogurt. Soft cheeses aren't just delicious, their unique composition makes them perfect for delivering probiotics straight to your intestines, enhancing your digestive health. Fermented pickles, made without vinegar, are a crunchy way to boost your gut health, promoting a diverse microbiome and enhancing your body's defenses against infections. Probiotic milks like acidophilus milk and buttermilk are easy ways to incorporate more probiotics into your diet, helping to guard against infections and improve cognitive function. Sauerkraut and kimchi promote good digestion. A few tablespoons of the paste can be dissolved in hot water to make a probiotic-rich broth. An imbalance of gut flora in the GI tract may contribute to symptoms of diarrhea and constipation that occur with conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, gastroenteritis, and inflammatory bowel disease, ulcerative colitis, and Crohn's disease. Probiotics in fermented foods like miso may help crowd out pathogenic gut bacteria, boost intestinal immunity, and produce vitamins, proteins, and other nutrients that are beneficial to health. Probiotics in food are beneficial for health, but only if they are tough enough to withstand stomach acid and make it all the way to your intestines. Savor more soft cheeses. The makeup of soft cheeses is ideal for delivering probiotics to the gastrointestinal, GI tract. The pH of a cheese affects the ability of probiotics to survive and grow in the intestines. For this reason, soft cheese is likely better than yogurt for delivering intact probiotics to the GI tract. Kefir is a probiotic drink. Dive into the tangy world of kefir, a creamy fermented milk drink that not only boosts immunity, but also helps in reducing cholesterol and fighting allergies. Kefir is a thick and creamy fermented milk product. Probiotic strains in kefir may help reduce cholesterol, protect against cancer, fight allergies, and improve the digestion of lactose. Kefir is rich in lactic acid bacteria, LAB, friendly bacteria that may help prevent and treat diarrhea, boost immunity, and improve the body's ability to ward off infection. Kefir is rich in Lactococcus lactis, Lactobacillus kefir, Lactococcus cremoris, Lactobacillus casei, and a few varieties of beneficial yeast. You can learn to make your own kefir using kefir grains as the starter. Like kefir, kombucha is a fermented drink that may improve the function of the immune system and boost energy levels and detoxification. Kombucha, a fizzy fermented tea, is packed with beneficial bacteria that can improve your immune function and energy levels, making it a must-try for health enthusiasts. Beneficial bacteria in kombucha may improve antioxidant activity in the body as well. Kombucha tea comes in black and green varieties. Kombucha tea is made using a SCOBY, or a symbiotic colony of bacteria and yeast that is necessary for the fermentation process. Saccharomyces boulardii is a probiotic yeast strain that is found in kombucha. Drink probiotic milks. Drinking milk that has been fermented with acidophilus or acidophilus milk is a great way to get more probiotics in your diet. Buttermilk is similarly cultured with lactic acid bacteria, LAB, and is a good source of probiotics. They may also help improve cognitive function, boost immunity, and fight allergies. Acidophilus milk and buttermilk are available in many grocery stores. These probiotics may help guard against various infections, cancer, and high blood pressure. Lactobacillus reuteri is one beneficial probiotic in milk that may help combat diarrhea. Reach for sour pickles. Naturally fermented pickles, the type in which vinegar is not used in the pickling process, are rich sources of good bacteria. Sea salt and water are used in a fermentation process that results in the growth of good bacteria. Make sure vinegar was not used in the pickling process, as pickles made in this way will not be rich in bacteria that boosts healthy gut flora. Beneficial organisms in fermented foods like pickles boost gut health and encourage a diverse microbiome. Eating foods that are rich in probiotic bacteria, such as pickles, retards the growth of harmful bacteria and boosts the body's defenses against infection. Try some tempeh. Tempeh, a protein-rich Indonesian food, is not only a great meat substitute, but also a source of Bifidobacterium bifidum, a probiotic that supports digestive and immune health. Tempeh is an Indonesian probiotic food that is made from fermented soybeans. It is a high-protein food that has a smoky, nutty flavor and is more firm than tofu. Tempeh comes in patty form and is used by many people as a meat substitute. It tastes similar to mushrooms. Soy tempeh is rich in a probiotic microorganism called Bifidobacterium bifidum. B. Bifidum is a bacterium that may be particularly beneficial for those suffering from diarrhea, abdominal pain, and constipation. B. Bifidum helps boost immunity in the gastrointestinal tract. Bacillus subtilis is another probiotic strain found in tempeh. Bifidobacterium bifidum is also normally found in the vagina. Tempeh contains less calcium than milk, but the calcium in tempeh is very bioavailable, meaning it is very easy to absorb. Some bacteria used to produce tempeh manufacture vitamin B. Are probiotic supplements a good idea? Probiotic supplements come in tablet, powder, capsule, and liquid forms. They do not provide the nutritional boost that probiotic foods do, but they are another option to promote a healthy mix of gut bacteria. Different probiotics may be recommended to different individuals. Ask your doctor if probiotic supplements are recommended for you. Some people who have immune system disorders or weak immune systems should be cautious about taking probiotic supplements. Follow your healthcare provider's advice. Prebiotics versus probiotics. Probiotic foods deliver beneficial bacteria into the gastrointestinal tract. Remember, while probiotic supplements are an option, they don't offer the nutritional benefits of probiotic foods. Always consult your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement. Prebiotic foods promote healthy gut bacteria by feeding them what they need in order to thrive. Foods rich in prebiotics that feed good bacteria include dark chocolate, legumes, red wine, honey, bananas, maple syrup, Jerusalem artichokes, asparagus, and oatmeal. Having a diverse microbiome of good bacteria in the gut helps promote weight loss and confers other health benefits. Postbiotics are the non-living organisms created by the fermentation process and can contain nutrients like vitamins B and K, as well as substances that slow down the growth of bad bacteria. And, once more, if using the factory analogy, they are the end result, the gift, that comes out of the factory. Each postbiotic is unique. Overall, research suggests two main benefits may be associated with postbiotics: maintaining a healthy digestive system and supporting daily immune health. Fermented foods such as kimchi, kombucha, miso, tempeh, kefir, and sourdough bread may confer some of the benefits of postbiotics because they often contain dead microbes and their metabolites, which are what postbiotics are made of. When it comes to the biotics, one of the most common questions is, do I need to take all three? I take a postbiotic every day because I'm concerned mostly about maintaining my immune and overall digestive health, but do not have any digestive issues. The most important thing to know is whether a supplement has been demonstrated to offer a specific benefit for what you're looking to improve. What do you take? Please share in the comments below.